Think of the most giving, loving person you know. Got it? Well, you're about to meet their match. A Kirkwood woman had devoted her life to impacting children. But this year, she took it to a whole new level, giving a part of herself to a toddler she met just once. She's the common thread between 12,000 children worldwide. From all over the U.S. to Asia, they're all wearing this.
I'm gonna trim it.
A superhero cape sent from Robin Rosenberger in St. Louis. She's been sowing strength since she started the nonprofit Tiny Superheroes 5 years ago, sending sick kids the power to keep fighting.
It feels so good to do something that matters to someone else.
But to this Jefferson County family, the magical powers of a cape would mean a superhuman coming into their lives.
I had no idea that this simple little cape made out of 2 pieces of fabric would change everything in our life, save Michael's life, turn his life around. Never. And we're talking about a cape. That's how this all started.
21-month-old Michael Lonis was born without kidneys. So last summer, his name was submitted to receive a Tiny Superheroes cape.
We send them all over the world, and one of my favorite things is when we have a kid locally and I get to deliver it.
And Robin was ready to deliver Michael's cape. She met Michael and his family for the first time in this park, just down the street from SSM Health Cardinal Glennon. Robin and Michael's mom got to talking, and that's when Robin learned about his battle since birth. On dialysis 3 times a week, Michael badly needed a kidney transplant.
Definitely had never thought an adult could donate to a child, and I was like blown away. I just could not believe that, it was that simple.
He was still eating only through a feeding tube and chock full of constant meds.
I went home and I told my husband, I was like, you're not going to believe, an adult could save his life, and it's like, I think I need to do it.
After meeting Michael just once, Robin, a wife with 3 kids of her own at home, started going through testing to donate one of her kidneys to Michael. For months, she kept it all a secret until this FaceTime call.
I wanted to tell you something, Mr. Michael, because God has been hearing your prayers, and I have a kidney ready for you.
What?
I'm serious.
A moment only a real-life superhero could make.
They're ready to take my kidney out and put it in him.
Are you serious?
In January, Robin and Michael headed into their separate ORs, soon to be forever connected.
For 589 days, almost his entire life, he has relied on a machine to keep him alive. And he won't anymore. And it's indescribable.
The transplant was a great success. 2 days later, Robin and Michael were reunited, both wearing the cape that brought their worlds together. And I got to talk to Robin yesterday. I talked to Michael's mom today. Both of them are doing beautifully.
And you know better than anybody the power of a kidney. But I did a story, as you know, on Robin a couple years ago, and I knew she had a big heart, but I never knew it was this big. I mean, this is what a generous gift. And I think we said off camera that if there's a line to get into heaven, she gets to go in the VIP entrance.
Oh, for sure. She's an amazing woman, and she just did such a wonderful thing.
Yeah. Thanks, Ann.
Also, I've started one big team for the National Kidney Foundation 5K. It's on March 4th. So please come out and join my team. If you'd like to learn more about the walk or about Tiny Superheroes, look for this story on KSL.